This is just a quick test of the Rode smartlav plugged into the Microsoft Lumia 950 XL. I plugged the mic in while the phone was in standby, bypassed all that weird gadget stuff, and then launched a camera app. I don't know if it's going to be recording. Obviously, I'm quite a distance from the microphone. I don't know if it's going to be recording using this or recording using the onboard, or just not recording anything. So I'm just going to brush the microphone now, so we'll know for sure if it's recording from this or the onboards. So hopefully that'll be really obvious one way or the other.